This video, we are going to be looking at how you can get your China virtual number and your Hong Kong virtual number and also eSIM services. Now, one thing I love about this platform is that they give you a eSIM services and a virtual services. You can see here that this is my China number that I've already activated for the past 2 years now, and the validity of this is going to be expiring next year. So they provide a virtual number that can lapse up to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. They have a whole lot of package. Okay, so this is the proof. If I'm to come to my SMS service here, you can see that these are the codes that I have received from different Chinese platform, and I've used them to verify any services at all. You can see here, this is Apple Pay. You can see that I use this for my Apple subscription, and this is Alibaba. You can see that this is Alibaba subscription registration. You can use it for any Chinese verification or any phone number verification. Okay, so now in today's tutorial, I'm going to be giving you how you can get a Hong Kong number. Of course, I've already registered a number, which is what you are seeing on the screen, which is a China number, and I can use it for anything. But before we look into it on how you can get a Hong Kong number directly from this platform, let me quickly show you their eSIM services. So if I'm to come to this eSIM, this China eSIM, if I'm to click on it, so you can see here that we have package for 365 days, which is 5G eSIM data for 1 year. You can use this for 1 year, and we have another one here, which you can see we have 3 days plan, we have 5 days plan, we have a year plan, we have 7 days plan, and a whole lot of plan. So if you want to subscribe for their eSIM services, it's also available, and it works perfectly on any device at all. You can see it here. They said days 365 days, network 4G and 5G, and is China mobile. That is the network, and is very awesome for their eSIM because I've tested their eSIM. Okay, so that is for their eSIM. So that is for their eSIM. If you also want to get Japan eSIM, you can click on Japan eSIM, and it's going to take you to where you can get their Japan eSIM directly. So you can see here, these are their Japan packages. We have 5 days, we have 3 days, we have 7 days, we have 10 days, we have even, they also have 11 days Europe plan. So this cover, if I'm to click on this eSIM now and data, you can subscribe to this package, and it's going to give you nothing less than 11 countries, which you are seeing here: China mainland, Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, Macau, China, Taiwan, China, Indonesia, Japan, France, and Thailand. So their eSIM will work for this listed country here, and you can see that is extremely very cheap, and it is 5G. Okay, so you can also get their provision number. They have virtual number. Now this is eSIM. Coming down to virtual number, if I'm to click on this provision number here, it's going to take me to the provision number that they also issue. Now remember, that is just the eSIM package. Now you have benefit to also get this virtual number from them, a US number that you can use for a lifetime. You can use it as long as anything. All right, you can use it. I don't actually need this number. Then you can also come back here and look for Hong Kong virtual number, US virtual number, UK virtual number, and US virtual number, and China virtual number. So let's go and register and get our Hong Kong number. So I'm going to be selecting Hong Kong. So now under Hong Kong, they have 2 type of numbers. Now they have new number that it is only you that can use this number. You can either use you can see that it is written here, no SIM card service, app receive text message. So you can use their virtual number to receive text message from any app. You can use it for WhatsApp, you can use it for Telegram, you can use it for any platform at all. And you can also use it to call in and call out. You can see that it is indicated there. So you can use it to do unlimited calls for any of your clients or your customers or friends and family. So then we have the general Hong Kong registration too. This general number, they are going to give you a general number that you can use for any of their services. But I'm going to be going for a new number that is going to be assigned for me alone. So I'm going to click on register new number here. And once I tap register number, it said new HK number registration, new number launch, limited, unlimited SMS, blah, 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 TikTok. You can use it to verify anything virtually. So I'm going to click on next. Then this is just their terms and condition. You can click on yes, and you click on yes again. You click on yes, and they are going to give you a plan from here. So here, this is where you want to choose your plan. Now for this plan, it is for 360 days, which is up to a year is 365, just 5 days for it to make a year. And to be virtual with you, this 1118 Hong Kong dollars is very cheap for 1 year package. So you can see we have different packages from here. Okay, so now before I continue with this video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. I've also recorded the video on how you can get China number directly. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial, so you can go and watch how you can get a new China number. Do you understand? And if you also want to buy this China number, we sell already verified China number. We can sell it for you, already activated. Everything is already activated. Just log in and use. And also, we also offer one-time services. If you just want to use these numbers for one-time service, maybe you want to use it to verify WhatsApp, you want to use it to verify highway phones, you want to use it to log in on any Chinese platform, you can rent our number. It's available for rentage. So you can reach out to us with our Chinese number on WhatsApp, which you can use to reach out to us directly. Okay, so let's proceed with this video. So I'm going to be selecting this number here, this first one, or let me look for a number that is very simple. Okay, let me just stick around with this first one, and I'm going to click on next. Once I click on next, it's going to be telling me to input my details here. So I'm just going to select, let me select others. Let me look for others, and I'm going to input a random phone number from here. So I'm going to input a random phone number. Then here, I can input my name from here. I'm going to input my name from here. And the next thing is to click on next. And once I click on next, this is the information that we just input from here and the details of our order. So the next thing here is to click on, you are done reading all their terms and condition. The next thing to do is to click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to take you to the payment page where you want to make your payment. So the available payment method, you can use Apple Pay, you can use your PayPal, you can use your credit union, you can use your Alipay and other payment method here. So I'm going to select my Apple Pay, and I'm going to proceed to make my payment by clicking on pay. So it's going to take me to this page, and that I'm going to tap Apple Pay. And once I tap my Apple Pay, it's going to take me, you can see here. So I'm going to be making my payment directly. And once I make my payment directly, boom, the account will be ready for use. So my payment has been successful here. So the next thing now is to go and let's go and check if our number is now ready for you. So I'm going to come to SMS here. And you can see here that they've already notified us that we have successfully registered for a number. So let me click on this notification from these guys. Now you can see that they said you have successfully registered services and password, blah, 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 blah. So that is to tell you that our number is now ready for you. So let's go and check if our number is now available on the platform to start receiving unlimited SMS and to start receiving calls and using it for other services. So I'm going to, this is my home screen now. So let's click on this drop down arrow now to see. So you can see now the first one is the first number that we have before this time, which is +86. This first one is our China number, which is our new Hong Kong services. Well, which is our new Hong Kong number that we just registered for. So the next thing now that we are going to be doing in this video is to go and verify if this number is actually working. So I'm going to be testing it on a platform to confirm that our number is already verified. But before I go ahead to test it on this platform. Like I've said before this time, if you want us to help you get eSIM services, if you want us to help you get any China number, if you want us to help you get Hong Kong number or any virtual number services, you can reach out to us with the number under the comment section of this video. You can also check the description button of this video. If you are going to be seeing, it's going to be showing how you can reach out to us directly for a virtual number services. Okay, so let's go and test run our number. So there's this Chinese platform that I'm going to be testing this platform. The name of the platform is called Taobao. It's a popular Chinese platform. So I'm just going to be using a number from here. This is my previous account, just to test run that this account and this number is going to be working perfectly. I'm going to be signing up with phone number, and I'm going to tap from here, and I'm going to look for Hong Kong number from here. This is Hong Kong. I'm going to tap Hong Kong, and I'm going to go back to input our number. So this is our Hong Kong number. I've already copied it out. So the next thing here is to proceed with our registration by clicking on confirm. So once I tap confirm, you can see that a code will be sent to our number. So let's go back to the app to get the verification code in our app. So let me go to the message section here and refresh. Even before refreshing, you can see that the code just arrived, which is this code. And you can see it is from Taobao. So the code is 42. I'm going to input 4243 here. And let's see if it's going to. You can see that our account is now ready now. We can start using it to do any form of transaction. So let's go back to our account. So this is how you can basically get your China number and your Hong Kong mobile number, both virtual number and eSIM. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching this video. Like I've said before this time, if you want to contact us for the name of this app, how you can get the virtual number yourself, how you can get eSIM yourself, don't forget to check under the comment section of this video, or you check the description button of that video to contact us directly for your own virtual number or for your own eSIM number directly. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.